Hello, I'm going to be answering WAEC 2019 Geography Objective Past Question 5. So, the highest elevation in the mapped area is approximately A. 800 meters, B. 900 meters, C. 1250 meters, D. 1400 meters. So we're still using this map of Niti district and we're being asked for the highest elevation. Now the best way to find the highest elevation is to look at the contour lines given to us here, and you can see the contour lines and the numbers written to them. Now the contour lines represent distance above sea level. The distance above sea level, and this is also similar to the highest or the elevation they're asking for. So we're asked for the highest elevation, so the highest point above sea level is what we are looking for from the map. Now the contour line, with the contour lines here, the highest number here is 1000. So the first clue is that the highest point should be around this figure, either just above or just below this figure. Now there are also more contour lines here, only that they aren't numbered, so it is a safe pointer that the highest point should be above 1000, but not approximately just above 1000, but not too far above 1000. Now from that, the closest figure here is 1250. Remember that what we are doing here is an estimate, because this is a map and everything is not exactly represented. So the closest from the contour lines we have read here is 1250 meters, which is option C. So please subscribe to this channel for more videos and for more past questions and answers. Thank you.